Hey, Sarah. How is your day going?
Hi Ali. It is going great, thanks.
I like our new teacher, Mr. Imran.
Yeah, he is really nice.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths. How about you?
Do you like our classroom?
Yeah, it is so colorful.
Do you want to play together during recess?
Yeah, let's play tag.
Have you finished your math homework?
Almost. Just one more question.
What chapter are you reading in class?
We are reading Charlotte's Web.
Do you like our school library?
Yeah, I love reading there.
Do you want to join the school book club?
Yeah, I joined last week.
Have you heard about the science fair?
Yeah, I'm doing a volcano project.
Are you excited for the school play?
Yeah, I'm trying out for the lead.
Who is your favorite character in our reading book?
My favorite character is Mango Django the monster.
Do you have a favorite school activity?
My favorite activity is art class.
Do you want to sit together at lunch?
Yeah, let's sit together.
Can you help me with my math problem?
What question are you stuck on?
What's your favorite art project?
My favorite art project is painting.
Can I see your volcano project?
Yeah, it's almost done.
Do you want to practice our reading fluency?
Yeah, let's practice.
Do you like our school exhibition?
Yeah, they are so much fun.
Have you met our school principal?
Yes, she is adorable.